Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see the best video player for iPhone on iOS. So without further ado, VLC is a free open source cross-platform media player that supports most video and audio formats out of the box. On iOS or iPhone, it includes features like offline storage and file server and Wi-Fi upload. You can upload files over Wi-Fi or network to the VLC app directly without using iTunes. Also, you have network, streaming or server support like SMB, FTP, etc. and playing from NAS or network drives. Also advanced subtitle support including SSA, advanced subtitle formats, and playback controls. You can control speed, multi-track audio, video filters, etc. So, it is free and very wide format support and open source. It's flexible file transfer options and offline media library. But settings don't always stick, some playback bugs and black screens. Also app crashes with network file access, especially when accessing FTP or SMB servers with many tabs or heavy usage. Also, on devices like iPhone 13 Pro, videos cause device heating, and when switching screen size, subtitles can shift awkwardly or get cut off. Also, some users find playback controls too small or easily mistaped. So, if you need an app that plays almost any video file on your iPhone and want to store and play offline without depending on iTunes and also use network storage or streaming servers, then VLC is one of the best free solutions out there. But if you prioritize polished UI, flawless performance or perfect subtitle behavior, you might run into frustration on certain devices or with specific files. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.